In an hour or so, he'll be so done. Hey! We're back here. He's hurt. Nate! Kelly, is that you? Hi. How was the steak? It's $200 a portion, you know. I don't suppose you're a rescue dog. I don't think so. Hey. Back off from him. Hey! What? Hey! Get away from him. Back off! Bad dog! Bad dog! Hey! Bad dog! Go away!
Oh, what the hell?
Oh my God, thank God. I thought you.
My goddamn arm.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
The dog,
Yeah,
right?
you were so right. I was so wrong.
The one you fed.
And uncuff me and hold me. I'm so sorry, baby.
The goddamn dog. That goddamn dog. The goddamn dog you had to feed. Smelled the blood, did what dogs do. Fuck you, roadkill. I hope you